Hey, this is Bradley Charbonneau. I'm in Lucca, Italy. Just walked out of a Puccini opera. Puccini was born here in Lucca, by the way. And, you know, there's something about, we were in a church wearing masks, but there's something about this just in-person event and how it's just irreplaceable. And it was an hour long. I'm not a huge fan of opera by any means, and it was just so beautiful. But these real people performing in front of me, right there, and there's so much that could go wrong. Sure, they've rehearsed, of course, they're professionals, but being there with other people, watching a performance live, just like that, there's nothing that could replace it. And there's no video, Netflix, audio, video presentation of awesomeness that will replace a live performance like that. And anyway, you probably know where I'm going this if you know where I'm heading here. But my goal, my plan, my fun, my dream of the future is in-person events, live events, retreats, workshops, conferences, whatever you want to call them, together with a lot of people on stage. Definitely not just me. I kind of see myself as the MC of the event, maybe. But then there's a lot of people on stage doing their thing. And I might have my thing, but I'm just one of the people on stage doing the thing. And it's a 3-day event or a 5-day event. My dream is in Bali. That's coming up. Looking forward to that. But until then, just like these guys, I need to practice. And so in order to practice, I got to do my thing. So I'm hosting, together with a friend, a colleague, Nicolene Hausinger, on Sunday, a week from today. Today's the 17th, which is why I'm sending this to you on the 17th for the 17th newsletter. And a week from today, on the 24th, in Driebergen, in my town of the Netherlands, we are hosting a one-day workshop, a one-day retreat, a one-day of focus and clarity and breakthrough. And a little bit like the Puccini here. Who knows what's going to happen? Who knows what to expect? But the one thing I can say, and just like this, is that I can't guarantee this, but I can hope that your day is going to be better with it than without it. Just like this concert. I'm not a big opera fan, but my day is already better thanks to this event, thanks to just being in a part of this and seeing it and seeing real people. And what if the two of us, Nicolene and I, our goal is to give you a better event. Our goal is to make it better, is to make your lives better, more clear, more focused for the day. So, we're counting. My wife just calculated. She says, okay, there were maybe 30 people there, and we paid 20 euros each. And if you think, okay, that's 600 euros, they got to rent like a church. And you think, okay, are these people in it for the money? Or are they in it for the love? Are they in it for the passion of the art of how they do it? And I think, yep, I think that's it. So anyway, more about it later. More here under. I'll put some links. But basically, you can go to retreat.repossible.com to learn more about it. But October 24th, a week from today, a one-day retreat focus. Get unstuck. We're going to work together, a maximum of 8 people, and I hope to see you there because we're going to be there, and we're going to be doing it no matter what. So look forward to seeing you next Sunday in Driebergen if you're in the Netherlands, if you happen to be there, and we'll get unstuck. So signing off from Italy, this is Bradley Charbonneau of Repossible. I'll see you next week. Bye.